Headlight Restoration with Cerakote Ceramic. When the headlight restoration with Cerakote Ceramic is complete, here is the before and after results. Cerakote Headlight Restoration is completed in 3 quick and easy steps, with no power tools required. Ceramic coating that chemically bonds to the headlights and provides UV protection that stands the test of time. Each kit includes enough product to restore and protect 2 headlights. The contents of each kit are 8. Step 1 Oxidation Removing Wipes. 1. Sanding Pommel. 4. Sanding discs, 2 of each grit. 2. Step 3 Ceramic Coating Wipes. Put on supplied gloves. Wash headlights thoroughly with any type of car soap and rinse well. Using an oxidization remover wipe, rub each headlight in a circular, scrubbing motion on all areas of the lens. During this process, any oxidization in the lens will be extracted, which will turn the wipes yellow. Move to the next oxidization remover wipe when the current wipe becomes yellow and soiled. Mine did not turn yellow because I had previously cleaned the headlights. After you have completed step 1, remove and discard your gloves. Rinse thoroughly. Step 2. Fasten the burgundy disc to the surface prep pad. Wet the headlight lens and surface prep disc with water, a squirt bottle works well, and scrub the entire lens in a uniform, non-circular motion for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Be sure to keep the lens wet during this time. Upon completion, rinse well with water. Fasten the green disc to the surface prep pad and repeat the previous process. Rinse the headlights and surrounding areas well with water and dry with a clean soft towel. The headlights and surrounding areas must be completely dry before starting step 3. Note, when step 2 is complete, your headlight should have a clouded, frosted appearance. Put on the second pair of clean gloves and open one of the Cerakote ceramic clear coat wipes. Moving horizontally from top to bottom, carefully wipe the coating in a single direction using a 50% overlapping technique. Only apply a single coat. Repeat this process with the second wipe on the other headlight. Allow the Cerakote ceramic clear coating to dry for a minimum of 60 minutes before driving or exposing them to any moisture. Headlight restoration with Cerakote ceramic is complete. Look at the before and after results. Look at the before and after results. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.